Hello again. I just wanted to show you what happened. There's my lovely tree. It's gorgeous, isn't it? So I ended up going in and having a look at what I recorded, and there was about 10 minutes of it recorded, but I'd like to show you a little bit more of what I did and to show you the kind of setup and everything. So here's all the stuff. This collage and paint, and then this is acrylic. That's the jar of ink that I used first to splash on the paint, and I used that ordinary kind of household brush for splashing it on. This is the bigger brush that I used for, thanks Jeanette for that brush, that I used for putting on the grass and things at the bottom there. And let me just show you the picture. So there's quite a few different media used in the grass, and then there's the oil pastel there. And I did some drawn marks with charcoal and oil pastel because I wanted to capture something of the branches as they're coming towards us here. So that's pretty much it now. I think I'm going to stop there. And Harry, the gardener, gave me this lovely chair. I've got two of them actually. He said somebody just left them, so he's offered them to me. So I'm delighted to have that chair. Maybe that'll be a subject another day. But I'd encourage you to go out, find a tree that maybe you've been looking at for ages thinking, gosh, that's gorgeous, and set yourself up for 10 minutes and do a quick sketch of it. If you don't have an easel, you could do this. If you don't have an easel, you could just put a board on a chair like that and sit on another chair, and you'd have your materials down here then. So there's a number of ways of getting around things, you know, but it's nice to get out and about. Wrap up warm though, because it's bloody freezing. At least in Scotland. Those of you in South Africa and New Zealand, I'm kind of envious. All the very best anyway, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'll just turn it around so you can say bye. Nice to see you. And this is Aine Devine saying goodbye. Day 11 from Cockenzie House in East Lothian. All the best.